How to use Chrome Picture-in-Picture in Windows 10. Here's how to use Chrome Picture-in-Picture in Windows 10. Step 1. Install the latest version of Google Chrome in your Windows. Step 2. YouTube site and you'll be good to go.
I often look at the news to find problems around the world. I heard about the Zika virus outbreak and I wanted to use gene editing techniques to help prevent this from happening. And then I heard about Malaysian Airlines going missing. So I created a black box finder. But then I found out about Flint, which was one of the biggest problems I'd ever seen. My name is Gitanjali Rao.